I see.
Besi bibi besi kroma. Obi enya abotre. Mo ma hwe eno na making. Oh, wudi NDC achi adan wenya. Oh, o ma sheda. Enso fia wotwe ne ati kroma. Mo mu ahe na nya bi.
Why ya bi?
Enso no mo na within 1 year pe no start no huru.
Wo kwali sama go Friday chairman hwe waso. Me
kwa fa so do sit you.
Me ya hwe waso. Wontumi bonasum.
Really?
Na say na man Kofi Boakye wontumi ya tu mu no. Oko Kofi Boakye na Kofi Boakye na ya Asante General Commander. Eko su mi say.
This is a very decent guy.
Wa hwe na sum.
Na kwa almost skimmy GG sit in
No, kasa osi wo besere me.
Wo besere.
O besere me.
Na wo so kra de wo ya wadwuma deda. A obi anim adwuma a wo ye. Na wo ana ya try politician, one position be po na ya try the
eight.
That's all.
Call it it.
Why are the perfect so fatal pa.
I'm shine
so.
Atia obi enya abotre. Mame nka we na look. Ti me fa me ho nya example.
Okay.
No obi enya reshemu. Look, I was the constituency secretary for all this while throughout the elections. Yeah, to I'm in a very humble way. I can tell you on authority, say, we cross 6 degrees, including masters in law. My son party pa. A buy you throughout in Yano. Na minya position bia.
You are still confined to your.
So na be yemejuma. Patroti enyo me ye madwuma ye ya mi guso mandan dwen ho da said ne metra say aba am ya frame MP. It was never part of me. Look, me ye ma fam de. Yes, ye to abade wie ye say ye hu niam akoso ye yipe. Ye frɛ ye wakra general ni ye mpanifo nso ni including the former MP. No, besides, I quit. I didn't declare my results. What is the issue? Because me, I'm a champion. Then as secretary, I was the coordinator for the campaign. Me church, the more duty, me senior, a real mechiano. Ya can't, Madam Marietta and Sotia. Ya can't send me near you. General Tien was a kai. I said, wait, as a cockot. Yes, if from pet, and you're ready to say, no, Ben, you understand this better. Obey case no man. I'm say because most often on no ye case is mine. Also no wait the on obey.
Now you understand it better.
I'm say Debbie, what they mess up because I senior. I say no, we need to build you. Obey your case no. This is how it started. Man should be kuma hwe nifa. Man could be so be say man 1 CD answer me 2 anamo. Say me ye ni ani pehwe. Me koba ye ko high court ye ko supreme court.
Nobody's paying you.
But what am I say? We were in power, but the party didn't bring a dime. Say yemfanye.
I know that's what it is.
But what in America? You do what you can. Now ni man ye hwe. No nyankopon wo soro no. O hwe obia ne adwuma. No beti obia adwuma so ka. Ye wo power 1 year ni. Commander, 1 year. 1 year. Look, we all know how Akufo says system no. Bisa see obia inside tight. Even though yes, omo ye 1 or 2 be. But as we speak, obia no obetimi abie na pomu afa nipa in the numbers. Because system ya to aba wie no mgusu recruit nipa. Opamo ma yes asebom ye Ghana for.
Now so expectations no enemra emre bebre ho enta anyepe. Kwabena unim say under the fourth public. This is the first time within 1 year you had 6 key cases. Attorney General had 6 key cases at charging Akufo. This is the first time. Really? 6 in 1 year.
Not under Akufo.
Not under Akufo.
Not under Mills.
Not under Mills. Not under
GM.
No.
Not under Akufo Addo.
No. This is the first time. In 1 year, 6 Attorney General had 6 key cases at court. And that
can you mention?
Yes.
So yeah, the national service.
National service.
Buffer stock.
National service. Who to say we raising issues that AG MIA about NIPA 10 or 12 edin. All of a sudden, the key focus no too so. We are not hearing about the 8 or so. What is happening to them?
Okay, so
but it doesn't also negate the fact that it's in court.
It's in court.
Okay.
And that in 6 months. Prosecution or non a portion Adru defense for all the 6 cases in 6 months prosecution any case. Now say your dispensation ya ankasa yebetimi atry nipa as government as attorney general ono ankasa betimi atry nipa ageli nipa dia enka yebetimi aka ne ye kan nanso ne babia ye wom no ye dispensation democratic dispensation you know what the ane say attorney general the ane say obe speed up the investigation any prosecution. So first 6 months first 6 years first 1 year all these 6 cases no ordinarily nke a improvement, but because of the kind of rot a course no wabana your problem ne a challenge ni say menim say it ebe dovetail into the next topic ebe kano emre ye wini aba no me no betena ha me no ne list to any I think say yenua
the partner in crime.
Yeah. Any I think yenua divine. I say divine chroma na one of them.
And also
And no solo
very divine.
Ya ba na say baby awo no what take you over as appointee no. Ne wo ho sisi anu mayehu. Na yeduru wan yan so a yehu ne wo ho. And it is a road to be koso wo organization what take you over no a. Sani okoto yen mayehu before bieso mayehu
bieso
na ekona nimu a MPP fo ha meka say yen ya beye me hwanso na wo dada. One of those areas and which I am very 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 disturbed and sad about a cocoa board. Look, yeah, you parliament. I have access to report to every institutions ebano. Yenim say institutions are say your mama buy ni here ebe collapse economy no ebe collapse aban we no. One of them was cocoa board, one of them was ECG.
I see.
Yes. The reason why we passed the energy sector levy MP for say doom so levy no just to resuscitate the energy sector and say the energy sector was collapsed. In Tube Kaya, you started in your energy minister. Jinapo. Or say, oh, Yakoto more cables than Yebe here. ECG for I say, ECG for I say, Omoka say, we started containers. And those times, nobody could now argue. And the solution is say, yes, I buy sober for solution, not to lament alone. Solution is say, let's get dedicated funds. Yeah, the best solve the crippling energy. Into the legislation by parliament and your solve a problem no. And the energy sector is no more the threat to our economy. But the cocoa sector, which is the backbone of your farmers, had been collapsed by the MPP government. President said bottom po or bottom for 7 years to 12 years bottom here. But when we took over, we sat down and then Miracles about your voice to go and talk about cocoa sector. And the problem that we had was that for the attorney general, you see, anytime I have piano, even today before I came here, I had to speak to the attorney general because if you want me to ask him, I'll call him and ask him, senior, what is going on? The problem is that we are not even communicating the success story. He's turning out.
He's retrieving money.
And I mean, and then I'm an ehunto edim komo on phone. And I want to be say, hey, commander, enti GM ben ya wo de or ensem ni wo mo fro e ka kire o nam si bo why na efre wan why na be fre wan
that's our challenge.
So at least you have your guys in the system.
Yes.
Brano attorney general me fry ni mo on father or the day.
Oh, then he doesn't have the number.
The point is, Brano,
Commander, I'm sure he doesn't have it.
Well,
I will brief you. Brief you now, the general. Brief you, Crawford.
Aha. But the point is, I didn't show you bottom.
Oh, Nim. Oh, better than what can one say.
And he also got trouble until now, for kick as one can hear. Now I didn't mean him to say, you'll be an immediate AC. So, and I did on what you are saying, so what me your friend, I'm a catcher.
Yes, and he said, Abasea, otchere say, and the normal circumstance, I was see communicating and call for no tears here. Kwabena, near Cano, case in the bro, Mom, baby, 6 now we no near Cano, any problem. ne aka no the system, the judicial system. Enti mani age say Chief Justice no amaya who say or better specialized court for these cases
on my timeline.
So he's done it. Some of them have started.
Yes. Okay. Enti Kwabena, because we need speedy trials. Let's see our way forward. Speedy trials. And ebema Ghana for onye gidie because say no money nyina ko besi a la beso attorney general no. Now so ono de o ye na afom de. Good. Oral was important. But Oral was a data collection tool. Yeah, their quality data no. But any data bia so Oral so na prosecutable. Nyene nyina so na we see no money bi wo ha. People are smart enough. Only so mu di boni, but they try to go behind the law. Intenya no money nyina so na prosecutable. Oral was having even in two parts. Omo masesa abanja pade. Any omo aye financial irregularities. Na cases no, cases no biya important. But what's the case akese nso bi wo ho a. Say kokko sesi Ghana fo ani beje. Ibi ti say cathedral. Ibi ti say SML.
SML, I think they are working
some
on
portions.
Yes,
some portions. Omo work on some portions.
Yeah.
But the key PDS key personality. Yebe hiano pa was some of the cases, finance minister. Former finance minister na. Okoka ice for some no. Kwabena meti hayi. Ne mo keka nyina important. Ne me hwehwe pa COVID-19 audit report. Because that audit report was given to members, each member of parliament in the 8th parliament had a copy.
And who can be?
Kwabena.
What are some of the stuffs in it?
Kwabena, we want to buy vaccines. As Amre no, near ton $10 on the market. Yeah, ton $19.
Election go only gone. When you saw the home flyer sending me CCR.
Very good.
Yeah.
You got $19. You set it up.
You see, people are ready to give you even updates.
Yeah.
People are still willing to work.
They are willing.
Kwabena, we went to buy vehicles. Those vehicles were never supplied in the name of COVID. Kwabena, made the audit report no beba.
Which did?
Kwabena, me say made the audit report no beba.
How many cars?
I don't have the full details, but I remember I came here with the audit report some time ago. The audit of Miguso our office, a full documenter. Doctor General do a Ajimai and or tie. COVID is stinking. COVID is stinking. Now so prosecution into okay say even along the line we have to set up an ad hoc committee or parliament to look into frontier services you're setting up our airport frontier health services now Ghana for no Ghana for sika more than anybody back where Joe say $50 before you do COVID test
no see $100
very good and your money bebre now so the judicial system and
but honorable I don't know the information you have, but from what we are hearing, Kennedy Ofori Atta, he's not coming anywhere. That is the information. I may be wrong.
Yeah.
I may be wrong, but from what we are hearing, I think it's a fiasco. Yeah, that's what I'm here. My information may be wrong. I'm a media practitioner, and your information is right. But from what we are picking, it seems.
When it gets
to add this one, I think that we ourselves as Ghanaian and members of NDC, we overhype this issue, and that can be used against us.
Really?
Yes. Nipano can make a case here. This one is political. Kennedy, we'll jail him. He has to go to jail. Some of those comments are things that his lawyers can use to support, say, these are not genuine trials. That's why I keep saying that we have to be very careful sometimes when we make our pronunciations, the kind of pronouncements we make in respect of this matters, because they are matters of law. Me lawyer any, but it's common sense. Say the lawyer bet me the cry evidence. I go say the NDC member they say those are things that they can use to say that it's political.
So let me come. So continue my issue no. Attorney General Nankasa as the lead prosecutor no. Ono ntimi njele nipa. Enti sexy na ye de court no. E ho asema duru sen.
I came to court.
As we speak now, 6 minutes ono we the prosecution we any portion in 6 months. We any portion. And enti me jitum say Ghana for have rights to ask for accountability, has a right to ask for prosecution because of magnitude of cases in your man assistant. You was a right not to ask. But generally, me jidi say your expectations, you know, your marry expectations, you know, with the legal processes. Look, you know, minister for fear, no, you know, your minister, Dr. Opuni,
yeah.
He went for trial. He went for almost 7 months or 7 years or
7 years.
7 years.
Yeah, on Elijah.
Yes. Went for trial for 7 years. And the wheel of the judicial system. And me say manager say specialized court Chief Justice say or ADBD cases back into force. Now almost also the judges from the appeals court and the bed that those court now. Na cases no contempt. Na yen say if Ora is a failure, because me will genuine believe say, and Attorney General has made it clear to us say, case or the court no, a case a passing litmus test in his own eyes and in the eyes of senior people. This a case where we are likely to win. And to say there, yedi akoi. Bebrensu di achire mi wa reshemu. Nipa no obema update asem because you say o kasa bebre be ya adwuma no one man update so na in the minds of people they don't hear anything almost say na na ekoso ye hu ye ekoso because so in the court cases into the solution no be na odima ya no awia yo solution ni bi ni say omo ka be ye significant others omo bua omo onya power they believe in your ideology and your philosophy no e was say omo di nkomo Oma Kennedy Agyapong so they cost na almost studios no. They are there to scatter government business. I tell you, they are agents of Nkrofo no omukono. And the more you go to them, the more your case because even the questioning, even the answers that they demand from the people. Now no be kotana obi radio station back say, oh NDC buy no. Sinking fund no. Ona na woka. Almost sinking fund no.
I say from January 2025 November or December NDC in far 1 crown to
and unti say wona we host e was a show no so the right question to ask the person let me pass 2020 2017
what they
say the tomb 2018 what they say the tomb 20 into host no kra bisa sa ni pan sa question na e be expose the mischief and this are all stations are aligned to people who wants to bring you down and be seen no until we must communicate. I dovetail into pani akamba some can say the party structures, the national communication team and the office, the way we were. I mean, they should bring the people back. But you all come to expectations. Last week in my office, I was doing 10 a lot. Power no. I was doing a lot of 10 programs. I was going everywhere. Now people will come to my office. 10 for now, I come on. So we are school. You are doing 10. We were the 10 executives. We are school. We are not getting opportunity. Even we, executives, to work.
So and yes, one more Fedipo.
So then they are crying.
Omo Fedipa. Yankola ya do omo ye adwuma na say ye. Oh, me ya Razak. National Secrety. Miss ma parazaka chawo afini. And so almost one for National Secrety room. A ya ye ni tia. And I'm sendi agozo. Now say goes up. MPP for Pamwa who phone is who. Now I know town no support no be ula. Yankola ye do omo ye adwuma.
This guy, you go you follow.
Yankola ye do omo ye adwuma. Ewo Ghana ye yankola and obi anime me bobie. Enya dia mekwa kofa bontin suni abada. But we komo no na omofa omo nkrofo bi omo wo zongo ni ade omo ya MPP fo ni afom on national security no mo ho e dan na me send Razak say omo me afa omo me afa e kola no ye nkola
What's that message?
Razak me send no ka che so omo me afa afinie ye nkola e do omo ko Kumase ye do omo ko Mampon areas western region eya wo kura ye mu boa ye sebe ya yeso ye dede anadwo ye da na omo no siripe na omo no etie kwa na hwen na me siro nipa me nsa pe na afi ni egi se me kasa ma me ko hu yi ntina fa me dem understand no na me say fa. So that's the problem. It's not like they are not employing. They are employing, but omo fa ye opponent for no bi kura na omo hu ye nkwala no omo sere omo
Omo fa your opponent.
Who dey open from nkwala no omo nkyere wo. Ye dey say ye omo ne di nkomo ye yeti bibia ekoso bia yeti we hear everything.
Into Kwabena in conclusion.
Because say time for e dey na be on.
And tell omo bada bia.
E dey na be. Me why e ka say omo nkonko for figures so mra say ma fa nipa wudi na here. You see the figures.
Yes.
E dey here for.
They come and they cry. One lady came. No, but yeah, bro. People, one will say and he was saying, my social media. I've stopped going to the social media. My social media no cool. But to me, her phone also.
Do a crown too, so I'll be on the hobby.
And those things are the ones that I'm saying because for our Juma there, from economy to everywhere, Obianim say President Mama ya Juma. But the rest is for us to communicate, including oral. Thank you.
Yeah. But my memory, Honorable Kwabena,
one of my strong general secretaries.
It's in region, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it's in region.
My strong general secretaries.
Akwaba. Now, say, me was so cocoa, I said, no one crash or no be. Now, no be.
Esquire, you know.
There's a boy here, Dubano.
Michael.
And I'm in Fifi Guafo. It's where she are. And I'm in Asif one so I could share. Oh,
but it was fantastic. I watched the videos. Yeah.
Now, what to say?
You could shop. I feel Commissar won't be now. Who
the other be now? I don't know who sir, Waka. Lawyer. Why,
we shall write a grace.
Blinking.
Me back to try and cry the bread.
Already here, that's what people do. Well,
that is so maintaining.
Oh, shiny. What this is your
thank you.
Senior, me chow.
Number me senior. Parliament, it is a boarding school. Sinipano, who do 1 minute crowns and our senior, senior, senior. How you feel?
One of the experienced politicians.
The boss.
No, it's the region. The ultimate secretary. 2 times 3.
Oh, he's a very strong person. This man is strong.
No.
He's strong.
Yeah, you can't be brave. But local grassroots man. Juma Sebe Enunti Ena Mebanamiti. I'm not surprised also you have problem. And your problem, but I say a bad problem if only Wontumi and Shenia obey your diabwa because you're a bit helpless. But see, I can identify with grassroots pa bakwa. I want to sanda. I don't know. I'm sure. You really and your darko ne de buy. Juma ya ye fi baby. The contribution is not in doubt.
Yeah, and then MPs, thank you so much. Unim say. Again, I say, may share how things will move. I have to jump back to the media. But now it's too scary. What was happening? Me Busia are not happy that I'm back on the media. of course, you are on Facebook. You've seen the stories, lies that they are putting there because I'm up on the media. What do they want to do? Maybe to gag me, but I'm not the person that you can gag me with stories. You come deal with me. Leave the people, some people around me. Deal with me face to face. You know, that was Commander, one thing I know is that Dominic Ayene is a professional. I supervised his election for the first time at Oba Parliament.
I see.
Yes, I did. I was in Tamale and your national chairman, General Mosquito, a friend, he said, immediately go to Upper East and make sure that we supervise the election. And so I was the one that supervised that election, and then he came out victorious as the candidate then. As a lawyer, so Raymond Atuga, Dr. Professor Raymond Atuga, Mama Yarganamo, he actually, I think he became lawyer first before them. I think at the age of 24.
Wow.
Yes. At the age of 24, 25, now I say on the PhD, if I'm not lying. But we used to hear, hey, so he's a teacher. The thing I know about him is that whatever you do, he will not bend what is professional. He will never bend the law. That's one thing about him. There are people in our party that are so pissed with him that I don't know, but we are not in a revolution. You just mentioned here when they were trying to they kangarooed Chachu Chikata. You remember we were the people that formed the Free Chachu movement. Many Madame Esther Koba, Kwesi Pratt, Munina, yes, Alaji Bature, we were the one that formed the Free Chachu movement. You know, because now Okokot, Okoyanan is soon. We're not happy about it. You know, we're not happy. Let it happen to anybody now. The whole country will turn against us. But and so and I know more young from say MPP for cramming the thousands here 3 days ago. And I know yesterday I got a flyer. A very powerful person in MPP called me. I said, then I'm with you. Jelly Crawford. Mama Omanya no MPP new. Mama Omanya no. I look at the things they are saying. Nipa no pot to be catch them say onim say simesi fast can say. And as can be called say, you know, but this is confident. You cannot say it. You cannot mention names, but between me and you.
But at the end of the day, any parents who say age friend or so my information.
You see,
so we can this problem in Nkogu age kwano say
exactly
is the problem.
No, but he's not the problem. That's me, man. And I'm surprised I can say Ufred Dominica on fa ebia now why your number.
Oh, David, me cry me friend me frobia.
No, so then let's correct that. But one thing I know about him is that Ufred no, that's only busy or call. But he wants to give information. Now, information about my person who say what is going on. He will brief you as to where he is. But to tell you details of what happens in court, I know the on country. Now I can't make Bibi. Commander, Miss Rao. When your voice goes very, very, very far. Very deep among our people. Please appeal to them. They should come back. They should come on board. Miss Rao, if they are listening to me, they should come on board. And if they want us to have meetings with them, I'll have meetings with them and I'll support their meetings, whatever they want to do. Because it's painful. Said the people are I told you, I think I saw a video. Permanent campaign. Last minute campaign, we call Abuaje. May he so rest in peace. Nikrum. Because I used to work a lot with Abuaje and other people because this guy was bent for us to win that seat. We lost about 8 votes and now 9 votes. So Abuaje would have been in parliament. Me free Honomo and me Raboko. It was the same party people. The boy who is the communicator that led me was shot. One would left. They killed him.
Really?
Oh yes. Another boy, Ochopa also Roger. Roger, you're basically over 1 year, over 2 years. Close to Boko. Why you we can't find him. But these were boys that were working with me. And I know most of our people, most of the MPs, more MPs say, more campaign, some of them got accidents. What is the party? What are we doing as a party to reach out to these people? So they are sitting back home and they are crying. Me. Master and Crawford did my 10-year false accusations. My family yesterday were on me that I should stop appearing on. I mean, maybe now say you don't have work, sit somewhere. But no, I was part. When the party, you formed a part in '92. I was from the beginning. I was.
And you are still part.
And I'm still part. So I can't. That's where the charming from, you know. So I cannot say me party. Rawlings, let me say something about President Rawlings. Why Rawlings said that he was not going to help campaign again was when Professor Mill won elections. And they transferred prosecutions. And I remember our former chairman, Potofi. Nibu fuye not far to the Jose. And I say, yeah, dear, Father for all, yeah, dear, chair. We are building a new Ghana, Professor Mill's time. In the time Bedru said, campaign called Rollins on. I was part of those who went to him. And I say, oh man. I was suppose him in campaigner. What am I going to say again? All I said was corruption. Kufo ye thief, where you crown for, and a Ghana for to Abama.
That's it.
Now Abana Mutuma, no. And then me say, so today, if President Mama leaves, now your new flag bearer, what is the new flag bearer going to tell the people?
That's the question. Straight question.
What is he going to say? It is the same thing Rollins said. I said, hey, I would have loved to come and lead you people to campaign. I would have loved to. There were 3 campaign teams. Professor Mills, Kwabena J, Mini President Mahamadu, Mini President Rollins, Moni Kofi Adams were on one side. And I said, Michelle, time.
Yeah.
You know, so we all had our way. And Rollins said, Min campaign. So are we waiting to get to that point? Sir, Obia, na say esimesi we wiesika. Na say esimesi we wiesika. Now what are we doing about it? Oral. It was a big file like this. Me hunza elder president enim. You know, and the foreign minister Sammy Jato made a lot of revelations. And what I was told is that the research, Emmanuel say, evidence, say, where we say. What are we waiting for? 6 people in court with the noise we made. It's not enough.
Really?
Oh no. Per the noise we've made, per the things we said in this country. Me, I didn't say some more. The ones I said. No, 6 cases. But so it's not. No, man, let me tell you something. Because I know that you must prove a point. I didn't have that information, but I knew. PDS I can't see me. People paid electricity bill. Who collected those monies? Everything was done wrongly. Are they undergoing investigations? What is happening? And now you just want to get the 6 people, 6 cases. No, not only want to know.
When case you we are here, your woman Tibida.
Cathedral.
Why cathedral? And yonder I am boarding galamsey. Sir Ekowusi has been caught on tape. When the media practitioner didn't come about galamsey. A year ago, we see at me a boss galamsey no. A police commanders. Obo Gabi watch Dakudin. Obo Microphobidin from Bawumia office. A year omuna yes no. Tape no has here. Me bought tape we say 2 years. With the mindset
the year campaign.
see NDC winning Yano, they are zooming in because you see when you start tackling those big fishes, a beman kolane suru, omunko uramubiu. NDC be mechanical swimming see am who be enfian mejai.
And then another point.
When you so be leading to a cozy so. The tape is there. And the idea is simple quiet to call Gabby, call the people involved. Of course, say police commanders crow. Say a soldier for a penny for crow. Then you are zooming in near it me taka de.
Unim the Eshimiso, Aremeyaw.
Sure.
When will the issue of those people that were shot at Bawumia? Bawumia. The police officers are still around here. What are we going to do to motivate these young men? The boys were all. Chief, I was there. I was the national organizer then. So when the people were running, John Boyd is my witness. And I'm beside, hey, where are you going? People going. Started no matter Sam George. It me drew on. Then they started. I said, you are part. You now be started double more. I was be free on my. And I was alone. What is happening? What are we doing to all these boys?
About 7 boys no mo conform kokun omo offensive crime.
Yes.
A police for no me side there no.
They are
there. The omo Asante region. They are there.
They are there. You see, what are we doing? Me continue radio so can say, yeah, the cameras are saying baby you hu the panel. Techima. Techima, Kelly, Chief. There was a commander in charge.
Yes,
who gave the orders for them to shoot?
They are there.
Innocent people. They are there. So, Chief, the evidence, we don't need any evidence again to go and grab them and start prosecuting them. At least to give your boys, any Babawa, that courage say, our party protect us. But when they see you are not going to be protected, what do you expect them to do, Mr. Rawa? MP? Senior lawyer? What do you expect them to do?
Lawyers, you with your topic with your switcher.
No, Chief, let's be, I have a few. Let's be frank about it. Let our people listen to us. I know it's difficult. What you say in opposition is difficult when you come to government. I know. Because now you have to use the rule of law. But opposition, they're Dr. Bawumia is talking. Can you imagine?
He's even talking.
He's talking. No shame, he's talking. Dr. Bawumia is talking. At least, Akufo Addo the ID. He's not able to talk. Most of their people now are more parliament. They are talking. Bebre, Anta. So, Beji, at the point he took it, Ken is gone, but the documents are there.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.